Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in.
Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and today we are very excited because I have already recovered from my corona infection. And for today, we will try to go as much as we could, a long travel. And from our journey, we will try to see if I have been shortage of breath or it is same as before. So join us our journey this day, and it is a long ride, so we will see what is will be the problem biking in long ride. And also for my bike, because I have 2 weeks not use this one, but already I checked all the parts and I think it's okay. So join us in our journey this afternoon, and we will try now to prepare our things and also go and buy some supplies.
To win the struggle we're in, it's never goodbye, it's never goodbye till it's over.
So all my gears and things are set and ready to go. I'm waiting for my travel companion, Brad TBB, for this day's ride. So let's see what is my body's reaction after recovery and this corona infection, if I have the same strength as before my biking.
So come back to love.
Okay, so we are ready now. My travel companion Brad TBB here already, and first time for 2 weeks I will go out from this gate from our accommodation. Okay, I am very glad that for the first time I am outside again from our area. At first, we will go to the store to buy our supplies going through the long ride.
Without saying, teasing without playing, I've had enough. So come back to love.
So now we are ready. And we finished by our needs, and together with Brad TBB, we will continue our ride this day. So join us in our journey. It is a very far journey because it's still vacation here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And we traveled already 3 kilometers, and I'm already a little bit exhausted. I don't know if this is the effect of the corona infection. And also my travel companion, Brad TBB, there's something wrong with this bike, but still we will try to continue to our journey this day. So join us in our journey. Now that the temperature is about 38 degrees, we thought that this is not too much hot, and also the humidity is only 10%, but I feel exhausted, but I will try to pursue what is our plan for today. And still the bike of our travel companion, there is a sound coming from his trunk. We will try to have a bike check. We will take rest a little bit, and this is the first time I feel like this. It's a little bit exhausted, but it's getting okay, and okay as long as we travel together. So we will continue to our journey. We are near in Global about. We run already about 10 kilometers. too much strength in my legs, and I'm also still exhausted, but it's getting better and better. So maybe continuing in this journey, we will found better strength and a better recovery also of this corona infection. So we will continue.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus.
15 kilometers here in Marine Engineer Runabout. Always this area have very strong wind that is opposite to our direction. Every time we bike in this area, all the wind is coming that way. So it's more giving me more exhaustment. It's getting harder to bike like this.
I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time.
I'm exhausted and a little bit worried because my companion is not catching up, but the good thing now he is catching us up, and we will continue this ride.
It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else?
Little bit downhill over here, and I am recovering with my exhaustion.
Problems lately I've been fading out.
Feeling I am encounter in this ride, like I am exhausted and also I am sleepy, but all the time in the progress I also feel like I'm getting more stronger. So let us see later on what is my body response in this recovery ride after we reach our first destination, the Camel Runabout.
There was something going on that
We are near in the Camel Runabout, and my tires is a little bit in pain because also of the strong wind, and I am still very sleepy. I hope that the sleepiness will be gone later on, and I need to feel awake to this ride so that we can continue to our destination this day.
used to be. When I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
So my eyes is very sleepy and I am a little bit exhausted. So that is the Camel Runabout, and we will try to take a snack or coffee in this cafeteria so that our strength will return. So we'll take a little bit rest and we will continue far from the seaside. So let's go. It's only like half of our drive, and we go to the store to buy some coffee, but they don't have. So I decided to buy some Pepsi because there is also caffeine on this one. They don't have also some kind of energy drink, but energy drink is not good for the health. And we will try to have some recovery here to take a rest. I feel a little bit exhausted already. Maybe this is the effect also of the coronavirus in our body, but we will fight for it and stay strong and until we get to our destination this afternoon. So let's take the Pepsi and we'll continue after this break. Feeling better a little bit, and now we can continue So our journey, I hope that this recovery and also the sleepiness will be gone.
I feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams. Like a pillow on my face, no one can hurt or invade
So
my
we travel
space.
from there, and that is the Obhor part. We will continue to that area before the first road, and we will go to left or the west side. Now I'm getting more stronger, and the sleepiness is a little bit gone already. So it's a lizard part, and first time from here. So let's go.
To find out why I feel so high. There's a comfort to
The wind is getting more colder, and my exhaust vent is a little bit okay right now. And we will continue. The road is very flat. Sound kind of boring traveling. That's why we need to make our speed increase so that we will reach the crossing faster.
I should try.
And we will go left in this road. We are waiting to be clear.
I feel so high. Coming up again to get a breath of air. In the water, everything is fine. Now we'll stay in here until the day is through. For a while.
So the sun is setting, and still we don't reach our destination. The bad thing, this road is very boring. It's only a straight and a flat road. So we will continue in that part.
I should try.
We are near to our destination, and now I feel more stronger, so we have more confidence that we can continue this long ride after this recovery ride. So I feel great in this moment. So we reached our destination. It's only about 10 meters from here. So we'll make more speed.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall.
And we are very glad we reached already our destination. This is still about in Obhor, and we travel here about 40 kilometers. So the good thing is I feel great and I feel strong again, and I am very glad that I've encountered or I fight against the illness of this corona, and I'm revived already and ready again for the next more long drive here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So thank you once again for joining us in our journey this day, and you can help us to improve this channel by subscribing and also clicking the like button, and if you want the updates you can click also the notification bell. Thank you once again for our journey this afternoon, and try always to keep safe and also to escape from this corona pandemic virus.
We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.